What's up? Today I'm going to teach you how to change out the door handles for a 2008 Kia Sportage of the rear left passenger side. So let's go. Alright, so this door handle, it's made by Dorman. This is the part number. It's for the left rear side door handle, and of course comes with the other side for the cap. And we're going to go change that out. I'll show you how. All you're going to need for this is pretty much maybe a thing to pop up the caps and a screwdriver. Let's go get that right now. Yo! So there's about like 4 caps that you're gonna have to try to unplug. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course there's one for the door handle, 5. And remember that this has a connector, so be careful when you're taking that out. Yeah, let's go take it out. Alright, so as you saw on this 2008 Kia Sportage, we took out all the 4 bolts. That has a cap. We pop that out, we unscrew it. And then you have this one for the door handle. This is also one that you gotta pop out. This is a panel, so you can kind of shimmy out the door handle better. But yeah, so we're gonna replace this because, you know, I just JB rolled it. I finally had time to buy a part. And yeah, we're gonna replace out this. Comes out panel. All right, so after you take out the panel, it's gonna reveal another screw that you need to take out before you can pop this out. So we're gonna unscrew this one, and yeah, we're gonna try to pry it open. I usually pry it open by the side here where the latch is at, or the arm, and it pops out. You could also use a screwdriver or flatheads, but don't pull it like crazy out, okay? Just lightly pull it out, just like this. You're gonna reach your hand under because there's a connector that's connecting this window switch. Let me try to show you that. All right, so there's the connector right there. It's pretty simple. You're just gonna pinch it to release it. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, we're gonna pinch that to release it, and then we're gonna kind of shift out the window this way, or the panel this way, and then we can take it out and work on the handle. What I forgot to mention is you could also take out this little panel to kind of make it come out more easier, but I don't really do that, so you don't have to, but you can, so it helps you a little bit easier. So of course here's the rain guard or whatever. You're gonna see this bolt right here to loosen the door handle. That's what you gotta loosen to make the door handle loose, and then all you're gonna do is pull it and kind of shift it out. So let's go do that. All right, so there's gonna be 2 10mm bolts that you're gonna take out if you have a socket, which hold the 2 handles for the door, the cap and the handle together. But in order to reach that, you're gonna have to take out this support that follows the window, with that and this. You can also try to take out this whole actuator thing for the door and latch, but it's gonna be a hard tight for you to unscrew that one screw. I'll show you how it looks. So there's a screw on the inside that's holding this. You have to take this out before you can slide this to pull out. So let's go do that. Alright, so like I said, there's going to be 2 screws for the door. It's going to be one for that holds the handle, and then one that holds the handle cap. You can take out this whole actuator, but if you can find a way to put a socket and get behind this latch thing, you can take this out. So what this is for is mainly to hold this down, so when it comes out, you can pop it out like this, you see? And then you're gonna slide this door handle this way and pull out. Just do this to disengage. There. Right. And as we take it out, just remember it hooks onto that. That's what causes it to open. This right here also is held by the screw. So remember, the other screw is this. Kind of dusty there, but this is the old handle right here. You can see it. And as always, we're gonna get the new part and compare it to the old part. So here we got the new part, like that. And so new and old. Just comparing the two. Now we're gonna do everything in reverse, push it in, hook it back, and cap, put the cap, and then screw it on. And then of course, everything else in reverse. And that's how we'll do it. Handle. Just gonna push it through, kind of. And hopefully it locks the latch, and there you go, it locks in. And everything we did, but in reverse. But remember, it's easier if you just take out this actuator or the lock. Oh yeah, let's go do it in reverse and set it up. All right, now with everything back, we'll just test it out. Go fast. Lock. All right, unlock. All right. Give it a close. Brand new. And there you go. It's that easy. The hardest part for this job, if you're gonna work on a 2008 Kia Sportage and replacing the rear left door handle, is actually getting into that screw that holds this. That's the hardest part of this job. But yeah, it's pretty much that. It's probably like a 10 minute fix, and you guys got it. Believe in yourself. All right, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you need help, and or if this video helped you in, changing out Kia Sportage 2008 door handles. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.